What's up? Welcome back. Episode 3, Quarantine Cooking. Super excited to have you guys here again. Today we're going to be making some pizza, and I'm here with my brother Seamus. Sadly, Leonard is back in Germany, so not going to be attending.
It's really dirty, so we're going to clean it, and then we'll get to cooking. Hey, can you please drink that milk? Oh, no.
Shake catch. Oh fuck, ew, what the fuck was that? What's on my camera? Ew, help. Okay, we got our pizza, and we are ready to roll.
Je couche à 10h de l'après-midi, un dernier joint de cuche pour me ramener au lit. Le sommeil m'a zappé, le destin d'un vendeur de sable. À caisse ou bien à pied, paye-moi en pièces ou en papier. Les doros, le wari, le cash, sur la tête de la madre. À marine, je me rangerai les yantés de sable. Fucked up.
Shaving cheese.
It's not shaving, it's shredding.
Shaved ice.
Is that not called?
That's what shaved ice looks like.
Is that called a cheese? That's called a cheese shredder, right?
Cheese grater.
Grate?
Oh,
you grate cheese.
Yeah, but then they'll change the name probably. The shaver.
C'est le système qui nous consume. C'est chacun sa croix, négro, faut que t'es droit. La chanaha pas se prend dans la nuit noire. Soit t'es chasseur ou bien soit t'es la proie. Si tu crois que t'es chasseur, eh bien c'est que t'es là pas. Niggas, t'es locked up. My legacy is speed.
So at the moment, we got a perfectly good cheese pizza. Seamus is whistling and trying to find any other ingredients possible. So far, we got a cheese pizza. Let's go!
Oh.
My legacy is speed. My legacy is speed. Je voudrais goûter speed, mais ma legacy is speed. My legacy is speed. My legacy is speed. My legacy is speed. My legacy is speed.
Like peppers or anything. I don't like peppers. It's the only thing they get.
Yeah, why do you like peppers? Like, let's just have this pizza.
Peppers are so good. Crying but laughing.
How do you feel about this?
It's just like cheese and like salami.
And we are now putting the pizza in because
I'm over it.
Seamus is over it.
So
We tried finding everything else we could. We ended up with a gourmet salami and cheese pizza.
the scariest of the night. Yellow.
Thank you all so much for watching this episode of Quarantine Cooking.
Yeah.
Make sure to smash that like, hit subscribe for this amazing cheese and
If you forgot salami.
salami pizza. Anyways, love you all so much. Let's dig in.
Now look at this. And next to mine, it keeps attracting me. Oh, I try.
No, don't look at it. Look right into the lens.